After several missed deadlines, work has finally started to address the ongoing traffic nightmare in Mandeville, Manchester. The project began earlier this week along the main street which leads to the town centre. It comes months after the National Works Agency announced road expansions for the parish capital. President of the Central Manchester Taxi Association, Shirley Johnson, said taxi operators are breathing a sigh of relief.
Mandeville is overcrowded with traffic, and to do anything at all to get rid of some of the traffic out of the town is a wonderful, wonderful opportunity for the taxi operators, because they are the one who is driving in the town sometime or 20 times for the day. So when you get the traffic out of the town, it is so wonderful.
Long time this move, man. It's like them are waste of time. Road there now for carry around by road.
However, Mr. Johnston and other motorists had some concerns.
We need a few traffic lights. We need some more road to be widened. The road from Manchester High School gate to Ward Avenue stoplight. I think they need an next lane there, especially in the mornings when they have to.
And I want somebody to also have a shoe curb in mind, cut off a piece of a shoe curb so that when the big truck never come around, we don't have any problem.
In the meantime, Communications Manager at the National Works Agency, Stephen Shaw, is advising motorists to expect disruptions in the area as the $45 million project gets underway.